Hi everyone, I'm here to give you my honest and non-biased opinion about this amazing 6.5 pre-lit flocked tree I purchased on Amazon. I am so in love with this tree. I love the fact how it looks so beautiful, realistic, the snow effect on it. It's just amazing. It is pre-lit and it's so fluffed is what I love. It's very nice. It's a great height, so the 6.5 feet is amazing. So if you're looking for a Christmas tree pre-lit, I did add extra lights because I like mine super lit up, but honestly it's not even necessary. My mom has the same tree and it looks just as beautiful. So I highly recommend this tree. Great tree to have for these holidays. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. It comes in 3 pieces just in case. So it does have the base, the base, and then you have the bottom piece, then you have the middle, and then you have the top. So easy to install. You just plug it in one piece to another and it lights up completely. So you just have one of the cables coming out from the bottom to light up, to plug into your outlet, and voila, you're done. That easy.